Alright everyone, hello, this is David. Hey, I got me the Mavic Pro. That's right. I've had this, I think about 2 weeks, going on 3. And let's just show it off. Came in with a little wrinkles here on the corners, but I inspected it and it was fine. And I know these things have been out for, I don't know what, 3 years. Excuse me. I think they've been out for like 3 years. But you know, this one is mine. So let's take out the controller. The controller here, you got the antenna here. Let's do the, well, all right, like that, like this, and like that. So they say to put it at like a 45-degree angle. So that's what we'll do. Let's put this back, and when you close this back down, this little notch right here is going to go right into there. So when you go down, you can just barely see a sliver of light through there. So just click it down. So you hear that click, and it's in place. So there's the controller. I don't know what the functions are quite yet. These are probably gimbal type stuff and photo recording. Oh, hit my photo and recording. Return to home. What? I don't forget what this one is, but anyway. And when I use mine, I'm going to use the iPad Mini 2. iPad Mini 2. And the iPad will go into these corners, because I don't have the connection. I took the connection out right here that comes with it. And I'll use that for my iPad Mini 2 will go into that area right here, the corner of it. So as I'm getting a little worse for tear in my vision. So anyway, let's wonder if that'll stand up. Yeah, it will. All right, we've got a little thing here that has all those there's some charging cables to go with the charger, which is under here. I'm not going to get that out. But I have these for lightning, USB to, you know, whatever. I don't know what they are, but that's what's in this little bundle. What do they call that? Sonic. These two, along with these two, give you a superb landing capability. It's got that OcuSync. I believe it has the GPS and GLONASS, which is pretty cool. It's my first bird with a GLONASS. I've had a couple of birds with the GPS, but this is my first bird with the GLONASS. So that ought to be interesting. Should be, like they say, pinpoint accuracy when you land. We will check it out. But anyway, that's what we got. Like I say, I know this thing has been out for what, 3 years, but this one's mine. So anyway, I got other things that I have coming into like accessories. So I will do video on accessories as they come in. Some are here, some aren't. And so that's it. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell to remind you of the next video. Like, subscribe, like, subscribe, share, and comment. All right? Later on, guys. See ya.